people. I'm about to show y'all something that's extinct. When I show you what is extinct, you're gonna be like, what? I think I'm actually gonna put a quarter in it and call my mother and see if it really works. I'll be back. Peace. Ain't nobody see a little payphone in years. This thing. A damn payphone. Let's put some money in it, see if it works. 50 cents. Here we go. Let's call it. Let's see if it works. This is a real payphone, y'all. This is a real vlog. It's a Verizon payphone. Let's see. Very damn lying. Okay, let's see. Oh, my battery going low. I gotta find a number. Here we go. 50 cents, putting in it for real. I'm putting this money in for real, y'all. See if it works. You ready? Oh, I got a block on it. Look, it don't even take the money. It don't work. It actually does not even work. No. No. This is good. So I don't know why I see it. That's for sure. Let's see. You want to try the 100 number? Let's try it then. Who number do you want me down, people? There's no number. It's no instant tone. Y'all hear? I can't hear it. It's not working. But it's a real phone. The phone booth was not working. All right. Like, share, subscribe. I'll be back. Peace.